Imagine having a money tree that consistently grows and gives you fruits every quarter. Well, that's what the world of dividend growth ETFs offers. Picture this. You're an investor looking for a steady income stream that not only provides you with regular payouts, but also grows over time. Sounds like a dream, right? Welcome to the reality of dividend growth ETFs. Dividend growth ETFs are a class of exchange-traded funds that focus on companies known for their track record of increasing dividends year after year. They are like the golden geese of the investment world, laying golden eggs every quarter. The beauty of these ETFs lies in their dual advantage: the potential for capital appreciation and the consistent growing dividends. Now let's talk about the cream of the crop, the 4 dividend growth ETFs that have been making waves in the investment world: VIG, DVY, DGRO, and NOBL. First off, we have VIG, or the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF. A titan in the space, VIG is known for its focus on companies with a minimum of 10 consecutive years of increasing annual regular dividend payments. Next up is DVY, the iShares Select Dividend ETF. This stalwart zeroes in on U.S. companies that have a 5-year record of paying dividends. The third player on our list is DGRO, the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF. This rising star targets companies that have a history of sustainable dividend growth. Last, but certainly not least, we have NOBL, the ProShares S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats ETF. This NOBL ETF focuses on companies that have increased dividends for at least 25 consecutive years. These 4 ETFs have proven themselves as reliable and robust vehicles for investors seeking a steady and growing income stream. But the allure of these dividend growth ETFs doesn't stop here. There's so much more to explore, from their unique investment strategies to their annual yields. Stick around as we delve into the nitty-gritty of each of these top-performing ETFs. You won't want to miss this. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. First up, we have VIG, a true powerhouse in the world of dividend growth ETFs. Now let's dive into what makes VIG a real standout. VIG stands for Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, a name synonymous with stability and consistent growth. It's an ETF that takes the spotlight when it comes to dividend growth investing. This fund primarily targets stocks of companies that have a history of increasing their dividends over time. It's a strategy that has proven to be quite fruitful, as VG has consistently delivered solid returns. The top holdings of VG are a testament to its quality, with names like Microsoft, Procter & Gamble, and Visa featuring prominently. This is a portfolio that screams reliability and resilience. What truly sets VIG apart is its annual yield. While some might argue that it's not the highest in the market, it's the consistency that counts. VIG has an annual yield that's steady, making it a dependable choice for those who crave predictability in their investments. But why do investors love VIG? Simply put, it's the peace of mind it provides. With VIG, you're not just investing in a single stock, you're investing in a diversified portfolio of high-quality companies that have a track record of increasing their dividends. Plus, with its low expense ratio, VIG offers an affordable way to tap into the potential of dividend growth investing. Over the years, VG has proven to be a reliable choice for investors. It has weathered market storms and has maintained its commitment to dividend growth. It's a testament to the fund's robust strategy and its focus on long-term sustainable growth. So, if you're looking for a dividend growth ETF that offers stability, consistent returns, and a diversified portfolio of top-notch companies, VIG is worth considering. It's a fund that has stood the test of time and has continued to deliver. With its proven track record, VIG remains a strong contender in the dividend growth ETFs arena. Stay tuned as we explore more dividend growth ETFs that deserve your attention. Next, we turn our gaze towards DVY, a stalwart ETF with a reputation for solid dividends. Enter DVY, or the iShares Select Dividend ETF. This fund has been a cornerstone in the world of dividend growth ETFs, offering investors a reliable and consistent income stream. This reliability comes from a carefully curated portfolio of about 100 high dividend-yielding U.S. stocks. DVY's philosophy is simple. It cherry-picks companies that have a solid record of paying out dividends and have the financial strength to continue doing so. This approach has led to a portfolio that's heavily skewed towards utilities and financials, which are known for their robust dividends. Among its top holdings, you'll find names like Lockheed Martin an aerospace giant, and Altria Group, a leader in the tobacco industry. These companies have been around for decades and have weathered multiple economic downturns, yet they've consistently delivered dividends to their shareholders. But what really sets DVY apart is its annual yield. At around 3.5%, DVY's yield is one of the highest among dividend growth ETFs. This means that for every $100 you invest, you can expect to receive around $3.5 back each year just from dividends. And remember, that's on top of any potential capital gains from the stocks themselves. DVY's impressive yield is a result of its focus on high dividend payers, but it's not just about the numbers. DVY also prioritizes companies with a strong track record of growing their dividends over time. This means that not only can investors expect a regular income, but they can also expect this income to increase over the years. It's this combination of high yield and dividend growth that has made DVY a favorite among investors looking for regular income. Whether you're a retiree looking to supplement your pension or a young investor building a nest egg, DVY offers a reliable path to achieving your financial goals. DVY, with its consistent performance, continues to be a favorite among those seeking regular income. Now let's look at the rising star DGRO and the noble performer NOBL. In the realm of dividend growth ETFs, the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF, known as DGRO, is certainly a rising star. Launched in 2014, DGRO aims to track an index of U.S. companies with a record of growing their dividends year after year. The ETF filters for companies that have a minimum of 5 years of uninterrupted annual dividend growth. It's a strategy that has been yielding results, with DGRO's annual yield currently standing at around 2.6%. Its top holdings include renowned corporations like Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, and JP Chase, which speaks volumes about the trust it places in established companies with a reputation for consistent dividend growth. DGRO's focus on dividend consistency over high yield makes it an attractive option for investors who prioritize stability. Switching gears, let's turn our attention to the ProShares S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats ETF, or NOBL for short. NOBL is the embodiment of nobility in this space as it exclusively targets companies that have increased their dividends for a minimum of 25 consecutive years. This stringent selection criterion results in a portfolio of what are known as dividend aristocrats. With an annual yield of about 2.2%, NOBL might not offer the highest yield, but it does provide exposure to companies with an exceptional track record of dividend growth. Top holdings include illustrious names like AT&T, ExxonMobil, and Procter & Gamble, further cementing its status as a noble choice for dividend investors. Both DGRO and NOBL are gaining popularity among dividend investors for their unique strategies. While they might not have the long history of VIG and DVI, they differentiate themselves by their stringent selection criteria and focus on companies with a strong track record of dividend growth. While DGRO and NOBL may not have the long history of VIG and DVI, they are surely making their mark in the dividend growth ETF space. Investing in dividend growth ETFs can be akin to planting your own money tree. It's a concept that's as potent as it is empowering. We've journeyed together through the landscapes of 4 such money trees: VIG, DVI, DGRO, and NOBL. Let's take a moment to recap. The Powerhouse VIG has consistently been a reliable choice for those seeking steady growth and attractive yields. Then we have the Stalwart DVY, a solid performer that has proved its mettle time and again. These 2 veterans of the ETF world have been providing investors with substantial returns year after year. Next, we moved on to the rising star DGRO. Despite being a relatively new player, DGRO has quickly made its mark in the ETF arena. Its unique approach to focusing on companies with a strong track record of growing dividends has earned it a place in many portfolios. Finally, we spotlighted the NOBL. Living up to its name, NOBL offers exposure to companies that have increased their dividends annually for at least 25 years. It's an impressive feat, and one that speaks volumes about the quality of these companies. But remember, investing isn't about putting all your eggs in one basket, it's about diversification. Each of these ETFs brings something unique to the table, and together, they can form a robust and resilient portfolio. The importance of diversification cannot be overstressed. It's a safety net that cushions against market volatility, and these ETFs can play a crucial part in that. To sum up, Dividend Growth ETFs can offer a combination of income and growth that can be a game changer for your investment strategy. They're not just about the here and now, they're about planning for a prosperous future. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is now. So, why wait? Start planting your money tree today. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on finance and investing.